Japan is known for its innovative and reliable car manufacturing, and the cars sold in 2022 are no exception. The new cars are offering variety of designs and features to meet the diverse needs of the consumers, from the city hatchbacks all the way to sporty units and eco-friendly hybrid vehicles. The new car offerings are said to be impressive. However, this is not that positive for Japan's internal market. There were 4.2 million new cars purchased and registered in Japan in the year of 2022. That's 5.6% drop. In fact, it's the lowest number in the past 45 years. Probably it's due to the semiconductor shortage and the pandemic caused chain supply disruptions. Even 2011, sales were much better when Japan was hit by the strong earthquake and tsunami. So probably 2022 is an unforgettable year for the Japan's car industry. These 4.2 million new cars sold in Japan can be categorized as passenger cars, mini cars, commercial vehicles, and buses. Now let's have a look at the table of the past decade for the new car sales in Japan. So what are the best-selling brands in Japan? Of course, it's going to be Toyota. The dominance of Toyota continues, and it's followed by Suzuki and Daihatsu. I was expecting to see Nissan and Honda just after Toyota, but they are number 4 and 5. Top-selling non-Japanese car brands are Mercedes-Benz, followed by Volkswagen and BMW. And also, fun fact, Lamborghini sold 546 units in Japan in the past year. And they are also increasing their dealerships around the world from 173 to 180 in 53 different countries. Electric vehicles are not that popular yet in Japan. There were only 59,000 EVs registered in Japan in the past year. The best-selling electric vehicles are Nissan Sakura, Nissan Leaf, Nissan Ariya, Mitsubishi EKX, and as well as Tesla models. And there were 5,800 Tesla models, Tesla cars, newly purchased and registered in Japan. But currently there is Model S, Model 3, and Model Y Tesla cars available in Japan market. So what are the best-selling cars in Japan? The car model. The list starts with Toyota Yaris, which is the top selling car for the past 3 consecutive years, 2020, 2021, and 2022. And it's followed by Corolla, Nissan Note, Toyota Rumi, and the Honda Freed. Let's have a look at the full list of the top-selling cars in Japan in the year of 2022. Number 1 is Toyota Yaris with starting price of $11,000 USD. Then comes Toyota Corolla, more than 50 million Corollas sold since 1966. Nissan's bestseller is ranked number 3, which had 22% sales growth. Mini multi-purpose vehicle Toyota Rumi is ranked number 4. Number 5 rise is Toyota's entry-level 2-row subcompact SUV. Honda's top car Freed is a 5 to 7-seater MPV. Toyota Aqua, also known as Prius C, is number 7. About 69,000 Sienta units were sold from 14,800 USD. Fit is the second favorite car of the Honda lovers. Alphard sales dropped by 36% while buyers are shifting to Toyota Noah. Family minivan Nissan Serena prices start from 21,000 USD. Honda Vezel's fuel efficiency is the biggest selling point among SUVs. Sole is the top passenger car of the brand Suzuki. New Honda Step Wagon has gone for a clean and almost a retro look design. Harrier sales dropped by 54% and its rank fell from 7 to 18. Popular hybrid Prius is number 20, but the new Prius introduction hopefully boosts the sales. In the year of 2022, there were 1.2 million Kei Cars or mini cars were sold. The Kei Car or mini cars, as you might know, are the ones with restricted dimensions and engine capacity. They can be up to 340 centimeters long and 200 centimeters tall, 148 centimeters wide. Their engine capacity is 660 cc and they can fit all these narrow roads on this Japanese narrow parking lots and everywhere. They are quite practical. In 2022, the Honda M-Box remained Japan's favorite mini car model for the 7th consecutive year. It was followed by Daihatsu Tanto and Suzuki Spacio. Nissan Rooks ranked number 6. Other mini car models are Move, Wagoner, Hustler, Alto, Mirror, and Taft. Okay folks, what is your favorite Japanese car? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned.